How do you turn on the private search on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one. So it kind of depends on what you want to search. If you want to perform the search on the internet, it's best to use the private mode within your web browser. Like you can go to Safari if you use it, go to the all tabs view, and at the bottom you can switch from the regular tabs to private tabs. And when you click on a plus right here, you can see we are now part of the private browsing, and you have the little description there saying that the history doesn't get saved, no cookies, no autofill information or anything like that. So that's how you can do this. Also, if you use like third-party browser like Google Chrome, for example, very same principle, going to all tabs and switching to incognito mode, that's how they call it, but it's exactly the same purpose. So the only reason or problem with that might be that you don't see it on your phone, and that could be caused by some restrictions in place on the iPhone. In the settings, screen time, and content and privacy restrictions, you might have something enabled. For example, there might be the limiting of websites present, meaning that some websites might be blocked, or as long as you are not in the unrestricted mode, then the private mode in Safari might disappear as well. So that might be something that could be causing some issues. But other than that, you should be able to search, privately as much as you want. All right. So let me know if it works for you. Hit the thumbs up if it does, and subscribe so you don't miss videos and upcoming tutorials like this one. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.